And then I like to tell people a few of the things that I get free every month because I'm on Essential Rewards. Everybody wants discounted product. Everybody wants free stuff. I just tell them every single month I get Power Mill for free. Every single month I'm able to order an oil or 2 or 3 or 4 for free because I've been on the program for 1 year, and so I get 20% back on everything that I purchase. I think it's also important to let folks know that you can cancel Essential Rewards at any time. It is not hard. You can take your grace month. You get that 1 month per calendar year for a grace month. You can do that all online. Sign on to the new virtual office, beta.youngliving.com, and they can go in and change their ship date, skip that month. They'll be prompted to answer a question that says, do you want to take this as your grace month? Yes. And that will give you your grace month online. If you choose to cancel, not a big deal. Let's say you're not ordering 50 PV a month. No skin off my back, no problem. You can cancel at any time. I just highly recommend that you redeem your reward points before you cancel. Otherwise, those points are lost forever. And then you just call customer service to cancel your account, no problem. Or honestly, if they want me to do it, I can call with their PIN and cancel their account for them. Another thing that I want to make sure that I mention when I talk about Essential Rewards is I just let people know I take my budget that I would normally spend at Walmart or Whole Foods or Publix or wherever I'm going to buy my oils, my lotions, my shampoos, vitamins, things like that. I've taken those budget dollars from those stores and I've put it towards my Young Living purchases. So people say, oh, I can't possibly spend $50 on oils every month. Well, do you buy shampoo every month? Do you buy deodorant? What about toothpaste? What about your kids' vitamins? Do you take a multivitamin? Have you ever considered taking a fish oil supplement? These are all products that people use every single day. And you can put those dollars, those budgeted dollars that you've already got in your budget every single month towards your Young Living Essential Rewards. And I tell you what, Walmart, Publix, Whole Foods, they're not giving you reward points. They're not giving you 10%, 15%, 20% back. They're taking their retail price and they're keeping it. Okay, so Young Living makes wonderful sense. And I think if we communicate that way, people will be much more likely to try the program. So here's some just last minute, just recap. Avoid words like auto ship. Explain the benefits in a fun, happy way. You are getting a coupon for doing this. Use words that people understand. You are saving 10%, 15%, 20%. You are getting free stuff. Every single month you purchase, you can usually get something for free. Now, it does take 2 months worth of orders before you can redeem your points. That's not a big deal, okay? And then I always talk about the importance that you have complete control over what you purchase and when you purchase it and when it ships. And then finally, I want people to know this is not something you're having to add to your budget. You're just rearranging some of those budget dollars to get them all in one place in a reputable source that you know is high quality and that you can trust that particular brand and its consistent brand, okay? So those are my tips for Essential Rewards. Check your downlines, see what percentage you have on ER. You're personally enrolled, then check your entire team. If you don't have Oily Tools app, quick plug for them, consider getting that app because it's all done for you. You can look at your stats. You can see what percentage of your entire team is on Essential Rewards. You can look up each of your downline and see what percentage of their team is on Essential Rewards so you know who to help get started and to build that momentum for Essential Rewards. Y'all, Essential Rewards is an amazing program. And for us as business builders, it's guaranteed volume every single month. And it is not just for us that, we get guaranteed volume. It actually benefits our members and our team because they save money. So we want to help people save money, and then we're blessed by it also. So talk about Essential Rewards to your folks. Send out emails explaining how I've explained it here or in your own words. Avoid those words like auto ship. And I'm so excited to see what happens when you guys start talking about Essential Rewards and to see your teams continuing to grow and to see your team saving money. So catch you next time. Have a great day.